In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and replace a photo background with Remove.bg. First, open your web browser and head over to the Remove.bg website. This is a web-based tool, so there's nothing to install and it works right from your browser. It's designed to be quick and easy, even if you're not a photo editing expert. Once you're on the site, you'll start by adding your image. Click the Upload Image button, or simply drag and drop a photo into the page. You can also paste an image or a direct image URL if that's more convenient. For the best results, choose a photo where your subject is clearly separated from the background and is well lit. High contrast edges, like a person against a plain wall, tend to produce cleaner cutouts. As soon as your image is uploaded, the AI will automatically detect the subject and remove the background for you. You'll see a preview where the background has been replaced with transparency, often shown as a gray and white checkerboard. This is great for portraits, product shots, or anything you want to place on a new scene. If the subject has fine details like hair or fur, take a second to check those edges. Remove.bg is strong at handling them, but a quick look ensures everything looks right. Next, open the editor by clicking the Edit button that appears. This takes you into a simple workspace. From here, go to the Background section to replace the transparent background with something new. You have two straightforward choices. If you want a photo background, pick from the curated gallery for quick options, or click the plus sign to upload your own image. Try to choose a background that matches the perspective and lighting of your subject for a realistic result. If you prefer a clean, minimal look, select a solid color from the color palette. Solid colors are perfect for profile pictures, thumbnails, or product listings. If you notice small areas that need cleanup, use the Erase/Restore brush. Zoom in, adjust the brush size for precision, and carefully paint along tricky edges to remove stray bits or bring back parts of the subject that were cut out. Take your time here. Small refinements can make a big difference. And don't worry, you can undo any stroke if you make a mistake. When you're happy with how everything looks, click the download button to save your image with the new background. That's it, fast, clean, and ready to use anywhere you need it.